Hi. So what is a remedy to a wife from the husband in a maintenance case when wife doesn't have the details of the husband or his assets or his liabilities or his income? Generally, when there are already existing disputes or some disturbance between the husband and the wife, husband never discloses the properties, the assets or the liabilities, the income to the wife. In those circumstances, if wife comes to court for maintenance, for the grant of maintenance, by deserting the husband or while staying with the husband, what is the remedy what is the support that the wife has to prove that husband has income, husband has assets, husband has liabilities, and the net worth of the husband is much more? Because generally, wife must get the equal luxury and the equal benefits what the husband is enjoying in a maintenance case, excluding the cost of the children. That is, the cost means the living expenses, the educational expenses, the welfare of the children, etc., minor children. Now, if wife doesn't have any proof to show that husband has adequate income, if he is not a government employee, it is very difficult for a wife to know the details if husband is not informing them. And if wife tries to go to income tax also, income tax will not disclose those details because they are personal details of the husband. In those circumstances, it becomes very difficult for a wife to know the details of the assets and the liabilities, the income of the husband. So Supreme Court in a judgment said that wife can insist for a disclosure of assets and income on an affidavit from the husband. In the same way, husband also can disclose. Husband also can ask wife to disclose the assets and the liabilities, the income of the wife. So while filing a maintenance application by the wife has to invariably disclose her assets, liabilities, income before asking the husband to disclose his income, assets and liabilities. So that fairness must be shown by the wife before the court, and based on the Supreme Court judgment, husband will have to disclose his assets and liabilities, and if he wrongly discloses the assets and liabilities and the income, then it is a contempt of the court. So the judgment is in the description, kindly go through it. Hope I am clear. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, kindly comment.